Alright, so here's the actuator on the 2000 F-150, the 4x4. I'll make a, so where it's located, but you can see, so this little arm here goes in the groove, and that's going to need to be popped out of there to remove it, and it's going to slide out this way, and then it's got this ring right here that's pretty rusted, so hopefully the new one comes. And yeah, so like this boot I pulled back to get in to be able to see, and yeah, you can see. So I don't know the best location to get this. And they be careful with this boot too. I don't know if the new one comes with a boot, but yeah, so that's gonna have to be come up off. Yeah, just kind of, so, and then you're gonna have to get the new one on there. But let's see if I can get this ring off here first. I'm just gonna scrape it and probably go get some PB Blaster. And then yeah, it's got the hoses here. I might check the hoses first, and then yeah, I want to follow those two and see where they connect to also. Alright, so you can see I broke the clip. It's rusted on right here. Like where my finger is right here, you can still see, like, and it's not right here, and then right there it's still on there. So I broke it, so hopefully the new one comes with a C-clip. See up here, I'm just gonna chisel away at that, and I tried picking, but you can see where it like welded itself together, so I'm just gonna have to break it, and then before, yeah, sand it all down, get out where it's like rusted on there. You can, yeah, it's this part right here, not here, not there. That's where it's clear. But yeah, so I'm gonna hit that. I've been just using a hammer and a flathead, just kind of chiseling it. I tried just going slow, but yeah, it broke. So just gonna break that off, so then you can punch it out through. I knew that was probably gonna happen. Tried PB blasting it, but that didn't help. Alright, so this is where I'm at right now with this actuator coming in from the front side. I've been hammering on it with this. So there, the actuator, and I've been putting this on there and then hammering the end. I cut off part of it, trying not to get too close, and then this is the other half. I might cut that off and then try and drill it out and hammer it out. But I tried putting like this slide hammer on that, and I eventually cut it off and broke it. So be careful of them hoses. But it's been about good 45 minutes here trying to hack away and pounding and not going out. Alright, so I got it out. There it is. I ended up punching it out that way, the opposite way, coming that way, because what I did is I cut the end, like the metal pin that comes through, I cut it on this side, on the left side, and then I punched it through instead of trying to come at it, pushing it out this way. I just cut this off, and then I punched it out going towards the driver's side. So then there's the latch, and then got it out, and then just disconnect them hoses. Be careful with the hoses and remember where they go on. Install the new one. I think when installing a new one, there's a little groove you gotta make sure you put it in the right way and line it up with that too. So yeah, I ended up just cutting it out. It was in there really good, so don't think you're just gonna hammer it, pop it out real quick. Some of the tools, yeah, it's trying to PB blast, and yeah, so angle grinder to the rescue.